Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset Ezviz camera. To do this, first you will need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the app if you have that camera paired. If not, you'll be able to skip to the next step of the video, and that means the mechanical reset. Now we need to scroll all the way down, find delete device. Right here, I'm gonna select everything, cancel subscription and delete video clips. Confirm it, and now the camera is gone from the app. We can move to the mechanical reset. So grab your camera, then flip the camera itself up like this, and then you'll be able to find a reset button. It's right here. Now you need to click on it and hold it for 10 seconds until you hear that the reset is finished.
Reset successfully.
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.